Mastering English, Unraveling the Mystery of Collocations. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of the English language, collocations. As we navigate through the complexities of English, understanding collocations will surely take your language skills to the next level. Collocations are groups of words that often go together in a language more frequently than would be expected by chance. They're like best friends in language. They just prefer to hang out together. An example could be as simple as brush your teeth, rather than clean your teeth. We'll uncover more about these inseparable word duos as we go along. Understanding collocations is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, they help you sound more natural and fluent in English. Using collocations correctly can make your English sound more authentic, like a native speaker's. Secondly, collocations are essential in reading comprehension. Authors frequently use collocations, so having a good grasp of them can enhance your understanding of text and context. Lastly, having a good knowledge of collocations can be beneficial in writing effectively. They can make your writing more compelling and help you avoid unnecessary verbosity. There are several types of collocations, and understanding them can help you use them more accurately. Verb plus noun collocations, like take a shower, or adjective plus noun collocations like breathtaking view, are quite common. There are also adverb plus adjective collocations such as highly likely, and many more. While learning collocations, it's normal to make mistakes. However, it's crucial to learn to recognize these mistakes. You might sometimes use words together that don't usually collocate in English, such as saying, do a decision, instead of, make a decision. Becoming aware of these common errors will help you avoid them in the future. That wraps up our exploration of collocations today. We hope this introduction helps you realize the power and impact collocations can have on your English language skills. Continue to delve deeper, practice and use collocations in your daily language use. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Happy learning, everyone! Until next time.